Hi, welcome to Teach VR Tech. Today's video about Google Classroom in mobile. Just install the Google Classroom in your mobile. Just open it. The page will be opened like this. Three lines you are seeing right, left, right corner. You just click that three lines. Here you can change your mail ID and many options are available. Google Calendar notification and settings. Click the plus. Teachers has to go with the create class. Here you just click and continue. Create class is opening. Just type the class name. I am typing second MSc microbiology, and usually I will give short name of my subject in bracket NT, that is the nanotechnology, for my identification. In section, if you are having A, B like that, you can give, otherwise leave it. I will give usually years. Room for student strength we can give, otherwise we can leave. Subject, which subject you are handling, just type the subject. I am handling bio-nanotechnology. I am typing. After finishing, just give a create. Soon class will be created. Students has to join by join. If they click the plus, it leads to the join and create. We had seen they have to join by. Here you can see you can share with your class. If you click that link, here you will see attachment, many options available. Drive link, file, take photo and record video like that. Another one, that arrow mark is for sending. Immediately you can send. Whatever you want, you can share with your students, or otherwise you can schedule. The three dots, if you click, that is available. If you click that schedule, here you can see the date and timing. You can change. You can schedule when you want to send like that. Now it is scheduled. If you click that settings, here you will see general class code 36Z. If you click that class code, disable class code and reset class code is available. Just copy and share it with your students. If you click that, another one, students can post and comment. Students can only post or only teacher can post. That is for the stream setting. Another one is for classroom setting. So the attachment and details, so condensed notification and hide notification. Usually I will keep so condensed notification. Just give the save. That three dots, if you click, that is for feedback sending. Next we will go to classroom. Just click a classroom. The plus option, if you click, assignment is there. Assignment, give a title, that is with the point. If you are valuing, give the mark, otherwise ungrade. Due date, when they have to finish, that you can fix the due date and give a topic. If you want to add description, you can add, otherwise that link you can use for adding files and all. You can upload from your drive or your phone, some whatever it may be. That is for scheduling, save draft and delete. That is for three dots. If you click again, next choose the questions. You can add the question and mark scheduling, short answer type. Students can edit that, things you can see. You can do whatever you want. Clicking the link, you can add your files and materials. Next, for material, give a title and add. You can schedule or otherwise you can send. That is the topic. If you want to add any topic, you can add topics to the students, and otherwise reuse post. If you click the people, here you can see the teachers you can add, or otherwise students you can add by using the mail ID. If you are not having mail ID, just share your class code link to the students. Ask them to go to Google Classroom and they have to select join class. It will ask only code. If you choose the calendar, it will leads to the Google Calendar page. I already opened this. Otherwise you can go click the event, add the title and schedule the date and time. Here you will see add video call. The Google Meet will be open. After save, you just come to the page and open. There you can see share option will be available. There you can share with your students with your Google Classroom. Here events, everything will be available. Next we'll go to archived class. If anything is available, it will be shown. Next is classroom folder. Every classes whatever you created, that will be having each separate folder for each class. Whatever assignments you are giving, that will be available in that particular folder. Settings, update photo, send email notification, everything is available. Based on your preference, you can change. If you click second MSc Nanotechnology, here we have created. It is available. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Give your comments. Thank you.